वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं गुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Good morning everyone. My name is Saad Siddiqui. Today's thought of the day is don't stop chasing our dream because dreams do come true. This thought is written by Sachin Tendulkar, one of the most well-known players in sport. It tells us that we do not stop chasing our dream because dreams are true and one day we will be rewarded by achieving our goal. Thank you.
Good morning all. Myself Amulya Gunga from grade 9. I am here to speak about a speech on importance of sports. Sports are important for all around development and are an important part of our routine. Moreover, along with education, they help to shape our personalities. Also, they keep our body strong, healthy and fit and keeps us away from diseases. It is an important because it is a useful means of entertainment as well as a way to do a physical activity. It brings out the confidence in you and you become more outspoken and efficient. Sports are not always about winning but also about learning and trying to do better. Thank you.
A very good and pleasant morning to one and all present here. Today we are here to celebrate National Sports Day. National Sports Day, 29th August, is the birth anniversary of the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. Sports plays a very important role in your life and a major part of education. Sports teaches you so many things, my dear children. It teaches you responsibility, leadership, how to control, how to coordinate with each other, how to learn from your failures. Sometimes you win, you rejoice. Sometimes you fail, you learn from your failures. So it teaches you so many lessons of life, how to face the challenges in life. So it is an important part. It makes you fit physically, mentally. But now when you're at home in this pandemic situation, you're not able to do all the physical activities which should have been done in what you did regularly. But I thank to Dhananjay sir. He has continuously taking your yoga classes, your warming up session, and also he had planned so many sports games online to keep you all fit and fine. So my dear children, intelligence and skill will be able to work at its peak capacity only when your body is fit and fine. So take care of your health, do proper exercise regularly and take care of yourself. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Dhananjay Tandil from Divine International School. Welcome you all. First of all, I would like to welcome our respected principal ma'am, coordinators, teachers, my dear students and parents for giving me this opportunity. So today, we all are going to celebrating National Sports Day. ना हारना जरूरी है, ना जीतना जरूरी है. ना हारना जरूरी है, ना जीतना जरूरी है. जीवन में खेल का बहुत बड़ा महत्व है. बस खेलना जरूरी है. बस खेलना जरूरी है. आज के दिन यानी कि 29 अगस्त नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के नाम से मनाया जाता है. नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे इसी दिन को क्यों मनाया जाता है? क्योंकि इस दिन भारत के महान हॉकी के खिलाड़ी मेजर ध्यानचंद का जन्मदिन होता है. हॉकी के जादूगर मेजर ध्यानचंद का जन्म 29 अगस्त सन 1905 में इलाहाबाद में हुआ था. ध्यानचंद खेलते थे तो मानो हॉकी से कुछ मैजिक करते हैं ऐसा लगता था. वे विपक्षी टीम पर लगातार गोल करते जाते थे. इस बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन के कारण उनको हॉकी के जादूगर का खिताब मिला था. ध्यानचंद ने 3 बार ओलंपिक में भारत को प्रतिनिधित्व किया था। जैसे कि 1928 में एम्स्टन डाउन में, फिर 1932 में लॉस एंजल्स, 1936 में बर्लिन में लगातार भारत को गोल्ड मेडल दिलाया है। तीन बार भारत को गोल्ड मेडल दिलाया है। ओके, ये पढ़ने के साथ साथ हमारा खेल का महत्व भी बहुत है। खेलना भी बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मन का वास होता है। खेलने के कारण हमारे अंदर एक डिसिप्लिन भी आती है। डिसिप्लिन से हमारे अंदर पूरी डिसिप्लिनेट हो जाती है और हमारे फ्यूचर में भी वो डिसिप्लिन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है। लास्ट में मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि लिखोगे पढ़ोगे होगे नवाब, लिखोगे पढ़ोगे होगे नवाब, अगर खेलोगे कूदोगे तो उससे भी अधिक होगे प्रताप। थैंक यू।
Sports is an essential element of education, and when we talk about the Olympic Games are coming together with the best athletes in the world. So on this special day of National Sports Day, I, Prutha Tandale of grade 9 from Divine International School, take pride to announce the achievements of Team India in Olympics
This year in
2020.
Tokyo Olympics, India won 7 medals in total. Neeraj Chopra's medal in men's javelin throw brought joy to a billion hearts across the country. Mirabai Chanu, 26-year-old, hailing from Manipur, got a silver in the women's 49 kg weightlifting category when she lifted a total of 202 kgs. Ravi, 23, became the second Indian debutant to win a medal at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, competing in the men's 57 kg freestyle wrestling, and became the 7th Indian to win a silver medal at the Olympics. PV Sindhu from Hyderabad became the first Indian woman and only the second Indian athlete to win 2 individual medals in Olympics. Wrestler Bajrang Punia, also in his debut of men's 65 kg freestyle wrestling, to claim the bronze medal. Lovlina, a 23-year-old from Assam, won the first Olympic medal in Indian boxing in the last 9 years. India's men hockey team claimed the bronze medal when they beat Germany.